Hello, so in the last video we looked at habits and why they're a really good idea, and in this video we'll look at 2 habits and see how they can really help you get a flying start on the way to making your business bookkeeping system great. So let's remind ourselves again what a great business bookkeeping system actually looks like. It's really easy to find and enter information on a day-to-day basis, it runs smoothly, and also you get lots of really useful information back out of it about your business. So here at Free Agent we think that just 1 hour a week will help get you to that really great place with your business bookkeeping. So let's talk you through how the hour a week method works. Step 1, schedule an hour every week to devote to your business finances. Step 2, during your hour go through and complete all the tasks on the weekly checklist. And step 3, put some time aside every day for a 2-minute task. So scheduling an hour a week is just creating a weekly habit. You're setting up the cue to remind yourself to do that hour a week. So pick an hour in your diary when you know you're usually going to be available and block that time out in your diary. Then set reminders and alarms so that you know you've got to go and do your hour a week and stick to it. So during your hour a week, that's when you develop the routine part of your habit. You need to go through a weekly checklist, and here's what I recommend you do every week during your hour. Send invoices to your customers, check your bank statements, make sure that you've paid any supplier bills that you owe, check the profitability of your projects, and finally, and perhaps most importantly of all, check your cash flow. So what's the rewarding part of this habit? What do you get back out of investing that time in the routine, an hour every week? Well, what I think you get back is a bit of time at the end of each hour to learn something new about your business and become a bit more proactive. For example, when was the last time you reviewed your prices? Do your prices need to be put up a bit? Or when was the last time you checked to see if there's an important anniversary coming up for a client? Has somebody been a customer for say 5 years, even 10 years, 20 years? Could you give them a little gift as a thank you? So now that you've created a weekly habit, let's look at creating a daily habit. Could you put aside a couple of minutes every day just to do those fiddly little tasks? For example, when you buy a train ticket, could you quickly just take a photo of the ticket then and there instead of having to carry the receipt back home in your wallet? Or what about if you track time when you're on the move? Could you literally do that as you go? Think about how you could build those little habits into your daily routine using the cue, routine, reward cycle. So that's your time organised, great, but what about all that paperwork? How are you going to organise that? Well, in the next video we'll look at how we can get your paperwork sorted out so that you're in that really great place with your bookkeeping method.